Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Rishi's Creative World, and I'm Rishi. As you know, hope you all guys are doing well. Before starting today's video, make sure to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about my upcoming videos. And now you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account linked in description box. Please check out there guys. And also you can share this video with your friends and family. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. Today I am reviewing on this product called Matte Look Super Stay Lip Gloss. Let's talk about the pricing first. It retails anywhere between 200 to 250 rupees depending on the seller, and also depends where you are buying it from. Normally it comes on discounted price if you purchase it online, and yes, its net weight is 12 grams and its shelf life is 3 years, which is quite good for any lipstick. The packaging is very similar to the L'Oreal Color Rich lipsticks, and the packaging also looks very rich and trendy. Here in these lipsticks, the good thing is that you can get the proper color idea from its window given here, and here we can see the name of each lipstick with its shade number, so it's easy for us to choose color of our own choice with its name and shade number as well. Here we come to its inner packaging. Now they gives us that colored cap. Again we can pick up our color if we put it without outer packaging. I really like the packaging. It's small, sleek, and also travel friendly too. You just have to keep it in your purse and you're just good to go. Let's open it. Here we got this doe foot applicator which has a hole in center, so you get the sufficient amount of product in one time. No need to dip it again and again. Once it come out, it covers your entire lips in one swipe, which is I guess very amazing, and it's lasts for 6 to 7 hours easily on your lips. They are very pigmented and gives you full coverage in one application. After 2 to 3 minutes it goes completely matte and transfer proof. It doesn't flake out, it doesn't dry your lips, and also very comfortable to wear. If we talk about its texture is like moussey soft. These have amazing mild fragrance which is fade away after 4 to 5 minutes of applying. It comes in 30 shades and it has almost all kinds of reds, pinks, nudes, brown, purples, and I have limited shades with me, but you can see the all shades on the screen. Whatever shades I have, I swatch all this for you so you can get the proper idea of the texture and also the color. guys, this is my complete review video on this super affordable quality lipstick. I personally like this lipstick, and also this is my most favorite lipstick ever which I bought. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then give it a big fat thumbs up and also leave your comment in a comment section. Till then, take care. Namaste.